Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I want to show you how to find a profitable topic for those of you that are into study guide, yeah, or exam prep. I want to show you how to find a very good topic with that. And I don't want this video to be too long, so it will be short and brief and straight to the point. Yeah, so in today we will not be using uh, your normal country location. Because if you look there, you see delivered to Canada. So that's the country I choose to use and make this research. So you can still change it to any one of your choice, any European country or US or New York, any country or so you can choose and use it and make your research. Yeah, well, we're using Canada. So I will not only use delivered to Canada, I will go straight to Amazon Canadian website, and that is amazon.ca. Yeah, you can quickly just type it on your browser, amazon.ca. So click on enter and allow it to load. Yeah, this is Canadian website. You can see their logo appearing here. In the other one, it was US that was here. So we'll go straight to finding profitable study guide topic. So going to this place, you see there are bestsellers and there are new release. Okay, so we'll be working with these two bestsellers and new release, or you can work with one, or you can work with the both of them. But we're working with this new release for this particular point in time. So let's click on new release. Okay, we said we'll be using prep books or study guide as an install, but you can apply them if you're on any niche. If you're on travel guide, you can apply this method to your find the way you are looking for the topics. If you're on help books, you can apply the same method. If you're on cookbook, you can apply the same method. Okay, so come to books. All right, this is books, and most of them here are new release. If you check, let's see. This one was released when? Let's go to the product details. Okay, this one was released 5th of June. That is early this month, and it is an independent publisher. Okay, so let's go to our normal um prep books or study guide. So they are usually under these textbooks. So you click on textbook. You can see, scroll down, this test prep and study guide. So this where we'll be focusing on how to find profitable topic. But for those of you that are into travel or into any, you see, any niche under this textbook goes well, especially this test prep and study guide. If you write any book on this test prep and study guide, any profitable topic, believe me, you'll make much out of it. So let's go ahead and collect. Okay, these are the new release, hot new release in test prep and study guide. Okay, so if you look at this, let's see when they are released. This one is released when, let's see the product details. Okay, July 8th, early this month. And you see this book was released early this month, July 8th. Let's see the BSR. Okay, you see BSR of 5,000. Wow, that is very profitable. Alright. Okay, let's check another. Let's see how many pages is it. Wow. 3,596 pages. Wow, that is huge. But believe me, this book is very profitable. Look at the BSR, 5,000. Okay, let's check others. Let's see a good one. Okay, let's see now. You model one of these books. Let's pick one. Let's pick one. Okay, if I'm the one, you see this SAT. It's a good example for me to model. Now, if I'm the one, I'll be picking this one, but let's just scroll down again if we'll see anyone. Okay, all these are new. All of them are new produce. So these this one too goes a good way. This one too goes a long way. Yeah, but let's use this for instance. Let's model on this. And if you look at this book, it's not your normal $9, $10, $8 book. They are huge money. See 24, 24, 78, 420, 38. Yeah. This one they generate income. Yeah. So it's not your normal, although there are still some that actually their own $9 here, like this. But this particular niche is not your normal $9, $10 niche. And is is very profitable and very difficult in making. Because most of this book you need to have a high quality graphics in it. Do you understand? We are going to come to that. Yeah. So let's pick one and use for instance. Let's see when this one was published. Okay, this one was published last week. Last week, 15th of July, and the BSR is 142. This one is above 100,000. So let's leave this one. Let's let's check this. This one was published 9th of July, and this one is 68,000. This one is below 100,000, so we can still model this one. And you see, it's an independent publisher. That is one thing for you to be sure. Independent publisher, and the page length is 57 page. Wow, that is small. Okay, let's go through it. Let's see. Let's see. And they not show me anything, but wow, this one is good, but let's check for another one. So let's check for another one. Okay, let's just pick this one that we use this SAT. This SAT Prep Study Guide 2026. Yeah, let's say we want to model this one. This one that was released 9 July that have 57 pages. Although if you are doing your own, let it be more than, because prep books usually they are full in page numbers. So let's use this for instance. Let's use it. Let's check through Google Amazon search. So paste it here. Let's say we want to use um start test books 2026 new release or normal new release. All right, let's see. Seeing this one $61 when it was released July 3rd. Okay, June 3rd, 3rd of July, 3rd of June. This one to 3rd of June, this one to 3rd, this one May 6th. Okay, let's review this. This one be nice. Okay, all of them are still on this SACT test prep 2026. So let's check this. Okay, this one is stream one. This one will be much though. This one will be much. It's 848 pages. This one is a bit much, but you see the BSR below 3,000. So you see this topic is very profitable. And let's see the search results. You see search result is only 178. So you see this particular title, model it. If you model this, I'm betting you will see results even without running ads. Okay, let's see others. Let's check this. This is July 15th. This one is just released last week. It just released it last week Tuesday, you see? Last week Tuesday. So this one, I think the BFI will be above 100,000 because it does not belong. It does not belong the release it. Okay, that is the one for two. And you see, this one is 451 pages. Okay, so that is at least your when you are modeling it, you produce almost equal to these pages. You understand? So I think for this video not to be too long, we'll call it a day from here. Yeah. So we see prep and study guide niche, they are very profitable. So you can focus on this. So if you want to learn how to write study guide book, drop your comments. So I will make a video on how to write a prep or study guide book. Okay, so I don't know. I dropped a video on how to create foreign accounts, and most people were reporting those videos that the video should not be free. Some said it should not be free. Some said it's implicating their country. And do you know the country I am? I don't know the country you are, and they said it's implicating their country. Okay, I did not do the video with any intention of implicating anybody's country. I just did the video with the intention that it should be free because people are charging people to create foreign accounts. I see someone charging people $10, $20, $30 to create a foreign account. Why charging people? Why can't you just teach people how to do it so that everybody will be successful? Yeah, so that everybody will be successful. When you see a Yahoo boy and you meet the Yahoo boy and tell him that you want to learn something, or me cut so for you, he will happily cut so for you. So why charging people? Why you know you can do it, you can teach them. If the way I know how to create accounts, I create, and you know how to create, you create, and we both are making money, are we not going to be happy? So why reporting my video? And you should have come to tell me, please bring this video down. It's because of so and so reason. I might consider and bring it down. But going to report me doesn't make any sense. So see you guys in my next video on how to write a test prep.